Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to send DMs on Instagram on your computer. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just make sure you go to Instagram.com and log in to Instagram with the account that you want to use. Once you're on Instagram, you can go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then you just want to go down to more tools and then developer tools. Once developer tools opens up, you just want to click on the tablet and phone icon beside elements on the top toolbar. Just click on that, and then you'll be able to choose between iPad screens, iPhones, and stuff like that. So you just click on an iPad, is what I use when I use this personally. All you have to do after that is just click on the little DMs icon. Then as you can see, it'll open up your DMs. You can just click on the person you want to send a message to, click on the chat in the bottom, and just send a message. And you'll notice here that you're able to fully send messages and DM on your PC or laptop. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.